So we are here in front of Madeira Beach Walk. We've completed a few things here. So the windows have been done, the garage doors have been done. They did all the insulation inside, and then after the inspection was completed, they then start with the drywall. So we're gonna show you guys inside of unit number 4, where some of the drywall has already been done. Insulation is obviously underneath that. And then after that, they're gonna start with the interior finishes. So let me show you guys around, and we'll also show you a drone from up top.